Hello my friends and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen. And today I'm doing a very simple Chinese dish. It is not only simple but it's extremely tasty. It is chicken in oyster sauce. And first things first, I'm going to make the oyster sauce. So I'm going to take a small bowl and add 3 tablespoons of Shaoxing rice wine, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. This is good quality Lee Kum Kee oyster sauce. Their premium oyster sauce gives the best flavour. 200 millilitres of chicken stock, half a teaspoon of white pepper, then 1.5 tablespoons of light soya sauce, and about half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, then a dash of sesame oil. Then simply give it a good stir, mix it all together, and then put it to one side while we prepare the rest of the dish. And here I have one large, well actually very large chicken breast that I'm just going to cut up into bite-sized pieces. Cut across the grain, across the breast, it gives you the best cut. And then just simply cut each piece up into smaller bite-sized pieces. Like so. And now it's time to hand you over to me in the kitchen. Right, with our pan heating up nicely, I'm going to add about half a tablespoon of vegetable oil. When that oil heats up, which shouldn't take too long, I'm going to add the chicken. Now the idea is that we're going to sear the chicken and put it to one side while we cook the rest of the dish. With that oil smoking now, it's time to put in the chicken. After about 30 to 40 seconds, we can flip the chicken over. We're just looking for a little bit of searing on one side. That sort of golden colour is absolutely perfect. We're not trying to cook the chicken all the way through at this point. We're just trying to give it a nice sear. And with the chicken nicely browned on all sides, I will put it to one side and we'll add it again later into the sauce. I'm just going to add a little bit more olive oil, another half a tablespoon. And then I'm going to add half a medium-sized onion sliced. Let it cook in for around 30 seconds or so. Into the onion I'm going to put 3 cloves of garlic, chopped up, and about 3 or 4 slices of fresh ginger, also chopped up finely. We'll just cook those in. Going to add a pinch of salt. Whoa, no salt. My mistake, there is already a lot of salt in here because I've added 2 tablespoons of light and dark soy sauce, and there's plenty of salt in those sauces, so no salt. My bad, leave the salt out. And a pinch of purely optional MSG. Nothing wrong with MSG. Don't believe the hype. Now as the garlic, as you can see, start to colour, it's now time to put our sauce in. Now I'll just let the sauce heat up a little bit and then we'll put the chicken back in. Right, with that sauce bubbling away, I'll put the chicken back in. Now I want to cook this until a lot of this liquid has evaporated. So it'll take, it's on a full heat, but it will take about 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. And in the meantime, that will continue to cook the chicken, because the chicken wasn't actually cooked all the way through when I fried it. Okay, as you can see, or hopefully you can see, that this sauce has reduced quite a bit. It's been about 5 minutes that I've been cooking this down for. And that's as good as I like it. That chicken should be nice and well cooked now. And the last ingredient that I'm going to put in is some finely chopped up spring onion. Now the idea of putting it in now is that it doesn't wilt too much. Just fold it in. I've turned the heat down actually. You don't need it so hot at the end. Cook it for another 30 seconds or so, and that should be it. And that's it. The very final ingredient I'm going to add is a little bit more Shaoxing rice wine, just sprinkled over, just to pep it up a little bit at the end. And we're ready to serve it. And here we have our chicken in oyster sauce. It's a very simple dish with a very intense flavour thanks to that reduction of the sauce. Simple, tasty and absolutely amazing. Give it a go and you won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing, and if you do, please also hit that notification bell and you will be notified of any videos that I upload in future. So take care, peace, love, and I'll see you all very soon.